Hello all. Today I'm here to talk about a common problem that every one of my learner has gone through. So often my learners come to me telling that they are not able to learn and apply grammar well. So they sign up for these courses that teaches grammar, but they don't see any improvement in their English speaking skills because of that course. Let me present a familiar example to you. So imagine yourself as a 2-year-old toddler, or imagine that cousin or your own child in that age trying to look at you and listen to you and grasp everything that you are saying. Now, imagine teaching grammar to that child. How will he or she feel? Do you think that will help them? Okay, so imagine this is a subject and this is a verb and this is how you should use the subject and then add s here, and then you teach them about tenses, has, had, this, that. Would any of that do any good to that child? But instead, if that child just listens to his or her mother and tries to repeat the sentences that they say, don't you think he or she will learn the language better? Exactly. So this is a natural way of acquiring a language. Any language. This is known as natural acquisition. So grammar is there for perfection. Absolutely. If you want to learn grammar, there is no harm in doing it. But would that give you the speaking skills that you need in this language to present yourself in front of your senior management with confidence? No, it won't. Because that is not how you should acquire skills in that language. You should take another route altogether. So learning grammar is an archaic method of approaching a language. As I told you, you can, no harm, but do not expect it to give you the results that you're looking for. So then next one, how should you learn this language? That is where my role comes in. So I'm trying to give you the way in which I acquired skills in this language. And the simple technique to go for is shadowing, the first and foremost technique. Shadowing is nothing but listening, copying, and imitating the speaker. That's exactly what you did, right? That's exactly what your child is doing now, listening to you. That's exactly what your cousin is doing now, listening to his parents. That's exactly what you should be doing. Listen to the speaker, just imitate. That's all. So shadowing is the technique to follow. And do not miss out on it. I request you, please. So I'm sure you have a question for me now. You must have approached an AI evaluator or an English trainer and tried to assess your English speaking skills. And they must have told you that you lack in grammar, or that you need to work upon your grammatical skills, or you need to learn grammar a little bit more. And you would have gotten all these reviews. And I'm sure now you have this question in your mind as to how you will improve your skills in English without learning grammar. So I'll tell you how and why that is. Basically, imagine yourself creating a sentence in your mother tongue. Do you think of the grammatical rules when you speak in your mother tongue? No, right? That's exactly how it is in English also. How much ever grammar you learn, you do not think of those grammar rules while you speak. It needs to come to you naturally. And for that, there is no other better method like shadowing. So continue to listen to a speaker and copy and imitate them. And this will work wonders. Going back to that child, exactly mimic what she's doing. She's listening to her mother and she's framing sentences just the way her mother is doing, right? Likewise, we need to listen to a speaker and frame sentences exactly like that. And the more you do it, the more these sentences will come to you naturally. And that's exactly how you learned Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, right? Coming back to this video. So yes, that's exactly how you will nail fluency in this language. And any day, make sure that you prioritize fluency over accuracy. And this will help you become more confident in handling the language. So quickly, to summarize all that we learned today, make sure that you shadow. The first and most effective method, shadow. Listen, imitate. Listen, imitate. Second, prioritize fluency over accuracy. Make mistakes. It's okay. Make as many as you want. It's absolutely all right. Third, frame small sentence. So start with small, manageable sentences, crisp ones, and then build. So yes, one last time, start speaking. Grammar is secondary. Speaking is primary. All right then, follow for more.